Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. In today's video, I am doing just a quick get ready with me. I am about to go to a all-white party. So if y'all want to see how I got this Oompa Loompa Realness. Oh, and if you guys want to see my dress, because it's too dark for me to record my dress and I'm not about to set up no lights outside, I will leave the link down below. I got my dress from Amazon. Amazon has been my best friend lately. Oh, before we get into the video, like always, we're going to shout out my gang. I love you guys so much. And of course, you have to be the first 2 people to write notification gang in my comments in order for me to shout you out. And yeah, just as long as you hit that notification button and you're the first 2, always notification gang. Oh, before we get into this get ready with me, I decided that I'm going to go back to my old upload schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday was not working out, and I thought you guys were excited, but I'm not getting the views that I thought I would. So I'm just gonna go back to doing Tuesdays and Thursdays because it seems like you guys watch more when I just upload twice a week. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday.
My phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 But you're making it so hard. But you're making it so hard. But you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I tried to replace you. Tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Baby, gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 But you're making it so hard. But you're making it so hard. But you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. I just wanna love ya. 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 But you're making it so hard. But you're making it so hard. But you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight.
It's a pixie. You already have your wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity. I say it is a pity.
Love ya, I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. Now you're making it so hard. Now you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Babe, I gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Now you're making it so hard. Now you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. I just wanna love ya. 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 Now you make.
Alright guys, so here is your finished look. I'm giving you guys Oompa Loompa realness. As my sister called me, she called me Oompa Loompa. But anyway, I am totally in a rush, so yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this get ready with me, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.